Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and making the repair safe. Back up the iPhone, charge it above 20%, then power it off. Remove the SIM tray so it won't bend during prying. Use an eye opener or low heat to soften the adhesive, about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, so the display separates cleanly. Once the glue is softened, apply a suction cup and gently lift an edge. Use a thin prying tool to open the seam while avoiding the display cables near the bottom. Once the screen gap is open, remove the bottom pentalobe screws and lift the front panel carefully like a book. You must disconnect the battery before touching display connectors. That prevents shorts. Next, unscrew the metal shields and disconnect the display data cable and front-facing module connectors. Clean the connectors with a dry brush or isopropyl alcohol and inspect for bent pins or corrosion. Contaminants cause display lines. If you need to transfer components like the earpiece or proximity sensor, remove them now so you now align the replacement display and press the connectors firmly into place. Make sure each connector clicks and the metal shields are secured. Reconnect the battery and power the phone on to test the screen, touch responsiveness, Face ID, cameras, and sensors before final sealing. Once everything works, apply new adhesive, press the bezel closed, and reinstall pentalobe screws and the SIM tray. If lines persist after reseating connectors and a hard reset, it may be a logic board issue. Stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.